Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Here we are today with a brand new Dacia Sandero 2026 with panoramic glass roof. But it's not about that. By the way, if you want to see the full review, definitely check out the separate video and also the test drive. I have separate videos with this Sandero 2026. But in this video, it's about how to connect your phone, iPhone, doesn't matter, Android, iPhone, to this multimedia system wireless, which is super useful. First of all, what you need to have Bluetooth connectivity, and you need to have internet, mobile internet, not wireless. So let me show you, let me turn around the camera. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to the menu and you have a few options. You go here to the telephone, connect to Bluetooth, or you go here to the menu and then you go here to device manager, or you go to Apple CarPlay, just like that. You press it and then you have the Bluetooth on your car, and then you find down here, you look down here to be connected to your phone, and then you have pair new device. You just press this and then you have your device open just like that, and you wait a few seconds and you see the car already see Dan's iPhone. You press on Dan's iPhone, wait a little bit, you pair it, allow it, pair it, just like that. You wait a few seconds and it's connected. That's it. And then it asks you want to connect to the CarPlay? Yes, of course. And here we are. And then here, do you want to connect? Yes. And that's it. You don't even need to do anything else. You can put your phone wherever you want. You can also charge it down there to the wireless charging, or you can leave it in the car somewhere around here. And then this is the way it looks, right? So it looks pretty good. It's almost all over the screen, but the good part is that we still have the shortcuts here. So if you want to go to home, yeah, the home of the car, the vehicle, you go here. If you want to go to media, you go here. You still have the media. If you want to go to Android or Apple CarPlay, you go right here, because they create this icon, separate icon where is the phone, which is awesome. And then you go here again, you go to the apps of the car or all other settings of the car, or you go even here where you have all other settings of the car, of course, so you can use them. Then you have also this one here where it gets you to the Apple CarPlay, and you can see the hardware. It's quite quick. I was so surprised to see how quick it is without the cable, which is awesome. And man, it looks good. And you have all the apps that you have in the car, the Spotify, Plug Share, whatever, WhatsApp, Waze. You can use Waze here. It's extremely useful. And you can use even the voice command from here. Navigate to Barcelona, Spain.
Getting directions to Barcelona using Google Maps.
And look at this, guys, it's just working. And you can see the traffic information, you can see all kind of stuff. Of course, it's not in Barcelona, but they just mislead by this Barcelona Academy. But then you just press start and then it's start. It's easy as that. And it works really quick. But you can ask also different questions, like how many degrees are outside today?
The high today will be 16 degrees Celsius and the low will be 6 degrees Celsius.
So great, I love that. And then of course you can go into the menu here, so you can see the route option, the satellite view, the traffic information. You have so many cool other driver avatar. You can also change sedan, pickup, SUV, whatever you want. That's pretty cool. This is the new kind of Apple CarPlay, route info, avoid ferries and all that stuff. And then yeah, this is it. If you want to zoom out, you have to go here and you go on minus and then you zoom out and you can see the whole map. But the good part is that it's moving quite quick. I'm surprised how quick it's moving. Nice, I like it. And then yeah, if you want to disconnect it, you go here, and then you go here, delete, and you delete, very simple, the Dan's iPhone. That's it. And this is how easy it is to connect it. And this is the same rules apply for all Dacia models, new models at least, with this multimedia screen. So yeah, that was all. If you have questions, ask me down below. I hope the video was useful. Thank you very much to all of you that are watching my videos. Stay safe and we see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.